This is my everyday carry. I got a Streamlight rechargeable, little flashlight. It's bright as hell. It works good. I've carried this Gerber diesel for 30 years now. I love this thing rather than any kind of Leatherman or any other Gerber, especially nowadays. Gerber multi-tools suck these days, but it's a one hand open and close. Mine needs to be cleaned a little bit, but I mean, you can open and close it. And because I like this Gerber so much, I bought this Gerber knife, which is an assisted open, and it's just, it's awful. It's an absolute piece of trash. I don't know why I even keep it. Then I heard about the Ozark Trail D2 knife. And I got this little guy. And this is one of the best freaking knives I've ever had. I absolutely love this knife. Great knife. Stays sharp. Easy to sharpen. Holds an edge decent. D2 steel. Great action. Just awesome little knife. Especially for a beater. And then I get this one for my birthday. It just came in the mail today. This is a Civivi Sentinel Strike 2. And this thing is absolutely badass. It's got the thumb studs, which I kind of prefer. And then it's got the flipper tab, and it's a button lock. It's a big knife. But man, this thing's awesome. Just razor sharp. And then I get this little guy that I made this myself. And it's, I don't remember exactly what the steel is. It's high carbon steel. Cedar scales came off this property. I built this knife